What's up, YouTube? So today we are playing Treasure Hunt Simulator with my friend Paige, and let's start digging. Go in the hole. So right now I have the metal detector. I'm just using this so I can get the chesties. And did I get this? I'll just get this. Equip. Exit. Okay. Let's go. Come on. No. Move the camera, sorry. Yo. Let's go. We're in and let's start. Boom, I'm gonna throw my stuff down. Let's go. No, where's Jesse gonna go? He said he'll be here. Low. Just start. Oh my. You said, oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he said, oh my gosh. Oh, let's go. Going in, I'm going in. Oh, yo, look at me. Low, 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 low. Yo. Wait. There you go. I was off for a second. Low. Yeah, I am a voice recording. Yeah. What does that sound? What the? What is? I get this one. Get that. I'm just gonna delete all those tabs. So. Okay, let's just go. So let's see. Page. Dig. Page. Dig. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go subscribe to Paige's channel. And I'll tell you in the next video. Wait. Low. Oh, Paige is getting. Go subscribe. Also, go subscribe to Paige the Kitten. Paige channel. I don't even know if she has any videos, but go check it out, please. Yeah, this is gonna take forever to get to like the greatest things. Just wait. Hello. I cannot put anything. So let's go through and put this. Thank you. Hey, what is going on? Oh, I'm back. Spanning. Okay. I'm ready. You know what? I'm just gonna wait there. Be right back. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. It's been 2 minutes. Hello, I'm down here now at 100. And Paige is just. She wants me. Okay. Let's view when we are at the. Let's see. Browns. Okay. What is happening? Oh, okay. Oh my. Eh, let's see. Spinny, spinny, move, spinny. No, I'm just gonna wait. I'll be back when we're in the bounce stand. So, be right back. Come back, guys. I guess I was mistaken because, like, basically, like, it's been like 30 seconds and I'm already here. Let me just use this. When are we gonna get somewhere deeper? This is just low. Yo, I need to go faster for oof. Nah, no. Just, you guys, not you guys. Like, just how slow this is going. Just, wow. Uh, I'm gonna move. Okay. Yeah. There you go. That's much better. Now you can see it. Oh, no. I need to go up now. Okay. Now I'm so close to birthing. And I'm just gonna now use this. Okay. Let's jump them. Yo. 3, 2, 1. Kaboom! There we go. By the way, sorry, I can't even record the sound of this explosion. I wish you could. Sorry, you can't. So, damn. Oh, yeah. Oh, dang. Oh, my. Come on, Lord. Dig faster. You need to dig. Dig. Oh, fast. Come on, come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Load stuff. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Especially Wiki, how you do it. Okay, hello. Oh, stop. Go. What was that? I'm just gonna bomb this whole area. Oh yeah, let's see how close I am to Libra. Oh, I just need that much more. How much is that? What's that? Oh, that's a lot. Oh, that's a lot. That's just... Okay, I got these. Don't you guys worry. I'll rebirth. Oh, just... Oh. Go. Oh my god, it was full. Didn't notice. No. Ah! Oof. Oh, wait, help me. I'm making a new world record. World record! Let's see, how much is that world record? So that world record is... Uh, out of the world and got so deep. Wow. The world. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Sorry, guys. I just. Oh my. Am I not taking all the sun? Oh my. Yeah, I'm gonna reverse some. Reverse. Close. Deeper. Yeah. Sand, here we come, black sand, here we come, black sand. Gotta go to black like uh okay, I have to just destroy that there. That everything. Use this. Seriously, oh man. Mamma mia. Just mamma mia. Mamma mia. Take it. No. Oh. Yeah, by the way, I'll be right back. Okay, back. I'm a witch. I'm a witch. I'm riding. I'm just kidding. It's me. I'm gonna eat this. Black sand will come. 2 minutes left to spend. Perfect. So I'm not leaving until I go to the black sand. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I have a challenge for you. Press the like, smash the like button, and subscribe, and turn off the bell icon in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Okay, so did you do it? If you did, good job. You made the right choice. Oh man, this is gonna take forever though. Right, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna keep on doing this. And he hates me. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Destroy it. Destroy. Okay. Guys, let's rebirth. Okay, I reversed. So, sorry, but today is the end of this video. What is going on? Today's the end of this video, so press that like button and bye.